Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and as my little thumbnail said, we are going to do two cuts today. Not all just because I'm running late. Again, things happen, you know, life got in the way. So I'm a day late, but the reason I'm going to do two cuts today is because these two things are very similar. So as you saw on the description, this is Cowboy at the cross and Soldier at the cross. So in the end, they really look a lot alike, except for the person that's in it. That's why I did both of them at the same time, just simply because down the road, like I've mentioned before, on the 28th of March this year, we're going to be in Pryor, Oklahoma at a meet and greet for Arms Family Homestead and Keeping It Dutch. Y'all close, y'all to drop in. And the other thing I want to tell you, if y'all hadn't checked it out yet, check out Smokey Uncuffed, my podcast, and my YouTube channel. Basically, if you go to the YouTube channel, you'll see me doing the podcast. Or you can just get me on podcast. So today we are going to do two people at the cross. Let's go. was, guys. They look great. The reason I'm doing, like I said too, I'm gonna pick them both up here. I'll be selling these at the meet and greet because these are both very cool looking deals. You can see the one with the soldier and the cowboy. That one I got a little, I don't know, I just kind of went overboard adding all the grass and stuff because you saw how much longer it took to cut, just making all those little pieces of grass. I mean, the detail came out great, but what y'all don't see is because I've got it all sped up, that added about 15 extra minutes to the cut just by sitting there doing all that little grass. And I'm just standing over here bored to tears watching it sit there and make little dots. So that was it, guys. I think both of these turned out awesome. And like I've said, I told y'all before about a little project that's coming up. I'm not quite there yet. I'm still gathering up everything I need for it. And hopefully I'll be getting to it pretty quick if time works out right. So guys, that was it. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.